Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. Before we get started, I want to give a big Planner of the Week shout out to Miss Lisa Mills. She wrote us a beautiful recommendation on Facebook and I just wanted to share it. Lisa wrote, "This lady is truly kind and so very helpful. Awesome ideas. Most of all, I love her voice. I relax like I'm with a dear friend. Isn't that great?" Well, Lisa, we think you're great. We think you are so great to take the time out to do that for us, and we just wanted to say a big thank you. Okay, guys, let's get started with this week's episode. We received a letter from a community member, and her name is Terry, and Terry writes, "Hi, MissPlanIt. Hi, Terry. Thank you for the opportunity to request projects and get help planning our wedding." You're welcome. "We are getting married soon, and we would like your help creating this lovely scenery decor. Our colors are the same as the video. We live in the United Kingdom. Please help us share this wonderful day. Looking forward to hearing from you." Well, Terry, I am always completely blown away about the ability and the privilege to get to participate, help, share, be a visionary with people all over the world. It just blows me away. And I have to tell you, when we started this channel, I didn't even think about that. It was just something I just wanted to share. So I want to thank all of you who allow us to be a part of your very special day. Well, Terry, we are so excited to show you how to create this beautiful centerpiece. And don't forget, we have all the international links to all the supplies we use right in the description below, just for you. Well, guys, it's time. Let's get started on this week's project, Tall, Geometrically Pink Wedding Centerpiece. Let's go. I noticed when I was putting this vase together that it wasn't as stable as I would like it. It was still a little wobbly. So I added 3 1/4 inch flat washers in between the bolt and the screw and it stabilized it perfectly. So if yours comes and it's a little bit wobbly just with the bolt, go ahead and add the washers to it. So just a little tip when you have an open bottom vase, sometimes it's just a lot easier to attach your flowers for the bottom before you place your foam ball into the opening of the vase. So just give that a try. But you can always insert your ball and then place the flowers around the vase openings. It's really your preference. The styrofoam ball fits snugly into the opening, so there's no need to use any hot glue to keep it in place. Now that our centerpiece is beautifully ready to go, we're going to go ahead and create our hurricane candle holders with some Dollar Tree finds. Be sure to let the glue set up overnight, making sure that it's good and sturdy and ready for your candles. If you find that your candlesticks are a little bit wobbly, go ahead and use some Stickum. You just place a dab of it on the bottom of your candlestick, place it into the vessel, and I promise you it will stay put for the entire event. Well, Terry, what do you think? Absolutely stunning. I can imagine 3 to 4 of these on going down a banquet table with the candles. It's going to be beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Be sure to send us a picture of your finished product on our social media. We would love to see how it turned out. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. If you would like an extra special notification when our videos are up and going, click on that little bell and you get a special note from us at MissPlanIt the moment it is live. Also, don't forget that you can follow us on our social media platforms, and they are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, if you have not already signed up for your EBATES rebate account, what are you waiting on? Especially with the holidays coming up. It's super simple, super simple, and it's absolutely free, free. Simply go down to the description, click on the EBATES link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your EBATES account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's really that simple. So don't miss out on this opportunity, especially with the holidays coming up. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com. Just click on that little icon if you want to go straight there from here. We have some fantastic planning guides and planning tools for you, and they are all ready for your use immediately. They are all PDF downloads. You do not have to wait for shipping and handling. You do not have to pay the extra cost of shipping and handling. It's right there ready for you. And please don't forget to hang out with me in my home. We have launched our MissPlanIt home channel on our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you get to hang out with me some more as I create projects for my home, as well as for my family and my friends. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you exactly how I create my atmosphere for the holidays. So go on over to our website and check it out, hang out with us, tell me what you think. In addition to that, make sure you check out our absolutely free resource library on our website, MissPlanIt.com. I have some fantastic quick tip cards that you can download and use at your leisure whenever you're planning your event. It's from how I make all these Dollar Tree vases, and it's just really cool. So don't forget, it's absolutely free. It's just a gift from us to you. So head on over to our website, click on the resource library tab at the top of the page, and you have access to those wonderful quick tip cards. Guys, I just love hanging out with you. I want to remind you that all the links to the supplies and the projects for this project, as well as all of our projects, are always in the description below. So click on that little upside down arrow or triangle, however you see it, and you will see that all of the links to all of the supplies to create the projects, as well as the project costs, are right there at your fingertips, just for you to use. We have such fun hanging out with you, and if you would like to send us a comment, ask us a question, or just say, y'all are doing great, please go ahead and do that in the comment section. We love your words of encouragement. They mean more to us than you could ever imagine. Well, our time is coming to an end, so I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.